Hi, let's talk about car fleet. So there are n cars going to the same destination along a one-lane road. The destination is targeted mile away. You are given two integer array, position and speed, both of the length n, where position I is the position I cars at the speed I, which is speed I, and a car can never pass another car ahead of it, but it can catch up to it and drive bumper to bumper at the same speed, so you will not drive faster to another one. And the distance between the two cars can is ignored, so there are no um, two same distance car. And a car fleet is some non-empty set of cars driving at the same position and same speed. So this is pretty much it. So, and there's another rule. If a car catch up to a car fleet right away, and it can be considered as one car. So it doesn't actually come as double when you hit at the same time. Return a number of car fleet that will arrive at the destination. So this is the example target position and speed. And target is the distance, the total distance. Position is where the car starts. And this is start at 10, this is start at 8, 0, 5, and 3. For each car has a speed, which is 2 for the first one, 4 for the second one, and 3 for the third one, and so on. So what you actually need to do is you can actually find out the time, like when will this car for each car arrive at the destination, and then we can check does the time conflict with another? If so, then we just add the conflict number by 1. And let's just saw how I did it. So this is the length of the position, and also I need a double. So I need a 2D array. So 2D arrays represent um, my position and times. So this is position, of course, and this is time, right? So I'm going to store my n and q. So this is actually like 2D array, but you only need 2 elements on the column, and let's just start how I did it. So in I equal to 0, I listen an I plus plus, and cos I is equal to new double, and then I use the bracket, and then later on I will just say I have position I, and also my target minus position I, and then this is distance, but I need to divide by my speed of I, and everything will become a a double later, so I will say double, and then this will be the for loop for double 2D array. So at the end, right, I will have to sort the cars from um from the greatest I mean from the smallest to greatest. So I would say array.sort and cars, and I do need a comparison, so I would say double, okay, a comma b, and then double dot compare, I would say a0 and b0. So if you use example 1 and then uh you just system out the number, so I'm gonna say system out, I'm gonna return 0 at this moment, and you will see what happened. And oh, double cars, sorry, oh, I forgot the name over here, sorry. And let's see, so this is the output for the system out, and they just keep going. So we need to know like when we hit a destination, there's a call fleet, and this is the time, right? 10, 12 minus 10 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 is time, this is time, this is time, and this is time. And we just have to check the time. And okay, let's just start the result will equal to 0, and I will just return the result. And I need a double for the time that will keep track of the current time and the car pass through it. So I'm going to start from the last one in the array, because this will be considered the first one, which is closest to the destination, right? Then I will say, okay, if this car pass, I'm going to check the one before, and then to check, do they have the same period? I mean, greater period. If they do have the same period, we don't have to take care of it, right? This is yes, so we count as one, right? And if there's a time is greater than a period, then we just update the time, and then we add one to the result. So I'm gonna say for in I equal to n minus one, I greater or equal to 0, and I minus minus. If my time is greater, sorry, if my time, okay, so if my cars at I at 1, the time for the cars is greater than the current time, then I say time will become cars at I at 1, and then I will update my result. So I have to keep updating my time. If there is the time, the car's time is greater than the current time I have, then I will just keep adding, because this these two car time can be considered one car, right? So we don't have to say equal. We don't have to say equal right here. We just say, okay, if this time is greater, and then we just add. If not, then we just move on. So 7 will be add, 12 will be add. So the answer will be 3, right? And let's just see how I did. And this will be the solution. So let's talk about time and space. So this is all of n, right? The for loop is all of n. This for loop is all of n. But array is n log n, right? You're using a sort is n log n. And the space complexity, this is all of n. And this is pretty much the answer. So if you feel it's helpful, then press a like, subscribe if you want it, and then leave a comment if you have. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye.